Welcome to J&J's test video of S5 MA205. This is a 194,000 mile 2003 MX-5 Miata Shenzhen, however you pronounce it. It has the blue roof, the gray paint, a couple other little silly things that were a little different. Made 1,500 of them. Has a good running motor. Some miles on it, but it runs nice. Show you the go by. Not too bad. A little bit more than normal. We'll see what the leak down looks like. Oh, it has a good nose on it, just hitting the back there. It's got the special skirts and all that. The rear's all missing. 5-speed with the 430 limited slipper end. Alright, the top, I'm gonna list it. Somebody might buy it, but it just needs all sewn back. We'll see. You gotta put oh yeah, it's got little racing seats in it and removable steering wheel. It's crazy stuff. See if the AC works. It is hot today. Gonna drive it around. Window regulator works. AC belts are squealing. Turn that on. Oh no, just the belts. Air or not. $740. Runs and drives. That's it. Goes through all the gears. Put it down here. And that'll do it. 194K. Been running, driving all week. Oh, let me get out of here. Oh, I gotta take the steering wheel back out. Oh my lord. Race car drivers. All right. And that's that for this Shenzhen S5 MA205. As always, thank you for watching and have your pets spayed or neutered.